太阳赤着脚行走，向升腾于海浪之上的蓝色音乐致敬，而海浪却在倾听大海高声的朗诵诗篇。海鸥是在泡沫里闪亮的镜子，海浪依靠着空气之墙，忽上忽下的翻滚。我潜水员，主要是在这边从事这个环保围帘安装，再就是你像环保水下这些微生物的珊瑚、贝类，咱们只要是遇到了能移就给移出去。这个潜水工作是我从小的梦想，从小做梦都是干潜水，在水里游来游去，正好有这个机会在这边，主要是爱好，喜欢潜水。
Yeah, we started work on site in 2019. When we arrived here, it was completely desolate. We had the desert meeting the coastline. The islands were completely untouched, and we had to somehow start and commence the works on the islands. Yeah, the green initiative and sustainability and protection of the environment have been at the core of our goals for this project.
Everything in our body is working in a normal condition. In normal condition means that we have everything normal. Our blood pressure, it has a normal value. Our temperature, it has a normal value. Similarly, the water, okay, it has life in it. And each life, each species is very unique. It has its own need. So we have to take care of the natural resources. For example, we are breathing from the air. And air, it has the oxygen pressure, 18%, okay? And if it go beyond, it will break our lungs. If it go down, we cannot breathe. Similarly, the fishes, they are breathing from the water. The water has oxygen in it. So if there is any change in the environment because of these activities, of course it will change the oxygen level, it will change the temperature, it will change the pH, and ultimately it will affect the life in the water.
Well, we all have responsibilities and obligations for protection of the environment, but particularly on this resort. This resort is located in amongst the coral reefs of the lagoon, which is in the Red Sea. It is a pristine location, and it's a highlight of this resort.
If we ignore the environment, we cannot proceed. So this is very high-fi, very strict in regarding the environmental protection and sustainability. A slight change in value will affect the whole marine life. So we have to take care of these values. After the project ends, it will be same as it is before.
红海这边感觉水质好，的水下这些微生物多，海洋这些鱼、贝类特别的多。
Our China Harbour achievement is that our workforce is very trained now. Okay, they know the environmental impacts, they know how to control it, they know how to move with environmental friendly approach.
Oh, the future is fantastic. We're 3 years into the project now. We're a team that's growing. We're very committed to the delivery, the successfully delivery and completion and the opening of our resort, commencing in 2023.
Our aim, the China Harbour, the Red Sea, the Saudi government, the aim is common to protect the environment and sustainability and to make it same as before.
但人潜水员下去了，这个鱼什么都围着你身前手转，可能我感觉可能知道咱们给他创造这个美好的环境了。
After the completion of this project, where the positive impact is the nature lovers, they will feel this area as a paradise. Okay, the natural environment, the natural breeze, everything just like the wild. Tourists, they will do their lunch with the seagulls, okay, and the divers, they will dive with the dolphins, and the persons who like to sit on the beach, they will sit and enjoy their beach sun bath with the turtles.